So first, the oxygen molecule starts outside in the air before being breathed in by the nasal cavity or the oral cavity. From there, it passes through your pharynx, your larynx, which is your voice box, and your trachea. From there, the bronchi split into two tubes going to the different lungs. Our oxygen molecule went left and to go down one of many bronchioles. At the end of the bronchioles are alveoli, small spheres where diffusion occurs. The oxygen molecule gets attracted to the hemoglobin, so it passes through the cell membrane right here into a capillary in the lung. In exchange, carbon dioxide gets passed back into the lungs, and the whole process gets reversed, which is why we breathe back out. So the carbon dioxide goes out. This deoxygenated blood flow that the oxygen molecule just joined right here now becomes oxygenated right here. This blood flow just came from the heart over here and a pulmonary artery in the pulmonary circulation. Go from right there or right there. After passing through the capillaries, it becomes a pulmonary vein right here and goes back to the heart from here, one of these two tubes. Once it goes back to the heart, it passes through the left atrium, through the mitral valve, also known as the bicuspid valve, right there, into the left ventricle, and through the aortic valve, right there, kind of small, into the aorta. From here, veins branch out to the rest of our body, but our oxygen cell, which is now a red blood cell, is going to specifically to the big toe. It travels through a network of veins to the big toe, where it reaches another capillary in the big toe, just like the one in the lung. So we can use this example again. Here the red blood cell leaves the veins, so these are switched. The red blood cell leaves the veins to go through the cell membrane and into the big toe in a process called diffusion. In exchange for this oxygen, the big toe gives back carbon dioxide, which then travels back through the systemic circulation back to the heart and to the lungs to be exchanged for even more oxygen. So this just gets repeated over and over again. So it's looped infinitely until we're done.